Hello dear students, today topic is introduction to computer. Computer. A computer is an electronic device operating under the control of instructions, storage in its own memory that can accept data, process the data according to specific rules, produce information and store the information for future. Functionalities of a computer. Any digital computer carries out 5 functions in gross terms: take data as input, stores the data instruction in the memory and use them when required, process the data and converts into useful information, generate the output, control all the above 4 steps. Functionalities of computer: processing data and information. फर्स्ट डाटा इनपुट होता है बाय कीबोर्ड, माउस, स्कैनर, देन प्रोसेसर proceed the input data and then give information that is called output. Computer components. There are two types of component: hardware and software. Hardware. Computer hardware is the collection of physical elements, tangible object that constitutes a computer system. The actual machinery, wires, transistors and circuit, etc. Computer hardware consists of interconnected electronic devices that we can use to control computer operations, input and output. Software. Software is a set of instructions, data or programs used to operate computers and execute a specific task. Examples of applications include Office suites, database programs, web browsers, word processors, software development tools, image editors and communication platforms. Computer unit. There are so many types of computer unit. First, input unit. Second, central processing unit. Third, primary memory unit. And 4, secondary storage unit. And final, output unit. Input unit. That input devices. Input devices is any peripherals, pieces of computer hardware equipment to provide data and control signals to an information processing system such as a computer or their information applicants. Input device translate data from that humans understand to one that the computer can work with. Most common are keyboard, mouse, hand scanner, joysticks, mic, etc.